Hello everybody, today we will introduce you to the new SEWA Pro Waiter calling systems by JP Innovations Solutions. This is our new SEWA Call button which is placed on the table in the advert stand. The advert stand can be changed with your own menu anytime. It has some hot calls like call, bill, drink, and a cancel button to acknowledge that the service has been done. Another component in this system's in the centralized display unit, which is hung over a wall or placed at the counter to get the notification. Additional to that, we have a watch for parallel notification for the captains or the senior managers. When a table need attention, they just need to press the button on the SEWA, like example table number 11 is asking for service. On the display we have symbols to denote the service type, like we have C for call, B for bill and D for drink or water or drink menu or any other you like to have. After which the steward goes to that particular table and entertain the guest and press the cancel button to make sure the call has been taken care. So now we will show you some multiple calls from different tables. Example table number 12 is asking for bill. Table number 15 is calling for some service. Table number 11 is asking for water or drink. The watch and the display both show the notification, and that keeps on rotating with a reminder unless and until the steward goes to the table and attend that particular call. After which press a cancel button, which ensure the managers also that there is no pending calls from the guests. So guys, this was our new SEWA Pro Waiter calling system, which is totally wireless and plug-play systems. For more info you can visit our website at www.jpinnovations.com.